Endless coughing, restless nights, and a tiny chest struggling to breathe, nothing hurts a parent more. That's why I choose Gentle Care, something safe, natural, and made for kids. Tots and Bubbles Vapour Patches. Just peel, stick, and let comfort work through the night. These patches are designed specially for kids, made with natural essential oil, gentle on skin, and are free from harsh ingredients. Better sleep, easier breathing, and a happiest morning. What else we parents want? Tots and Bubbles Vapour Patches help kids breathe easier without applying on their skin.
For the love of gentle care, choose Tots and Bubbles Natural Vapour Patches for your kids.
Safe, effective, and mom approved.